Welcome to our video on the ultimate guide to lowering blood pressure with juicing. Top fruits for optimal health. High blood pressure affects millions of people around the world, but don't worry. Nature has provided us with some amazing fruits that can help bring those levels down. So grab your juicer and let's get started. The first fruit on our list is the mighty pomegranate. Packed with antioxidants and polyphenols, pomegranate juice has been shown to lower blood pressure and improve overall heart health. Its vibrant red color is a testament to its powerful benefits. Next up, we have the humble banana. Not only do bananas provide natural sweetness to your juice, but they are also rich in potassium, a mineral that helps regulate blood pressure and balance fluid levels in the body. Moving on, we have the refreshing watermelon. Not only is watermelon a great hydrating fruit, but it's also a fantastic source of citrulline, an amino acid that helps relax blood vessels, resulting in lower blood pressure. Now let's talk about the beautiful blueberries. These small yet mighty berries are bursting with antioxidants that promote heart health. Research has shown that consuming blueberries regularly can help reduce blood pressure and improve cardiovascular function. Last but not least, we can't forget about the vibrant beetroot. Packed with nitrates, beetroot juice has been proven to lower blood pressure by increasing nitric oxide production, which helps relax and widen blood vessels. Incorporating these fruits into your daily juicing routine can have a significant impact on your blood pressure and overall health. Remember, it's essential to maintain a balanced diet, exercise regularly, and consult with your healthcare professional for personalized advice. We hope you found this guide helpful on your journey to lower blood pressure with juicing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and information. Thank you for watching World Live Good.